Okay, we're looking at the software for the yearly school timer. This is what it looks like when you first open it up. So we're going to do a new project here. So we just go File, New, and we can set the calendar length. So we'll just do a year in this case. So we'd start on the 1st of January, and let's go back to the 31st of December in the same year, and create a whole new calendar right in front of you. Now we need to add some events. So what an event is here, let's add an event. Let's call this normal school days. We'll go normal days. This could be, and let's change the colour. I don't particularly like black, so let's make it say green. Now what happens here is anytime I click on a date, it highlights it green. You can hold the shift key down and highlight big blocks, as you can see. You can go through, and you could quite easily go through and do the whole year. I won't do the whole year, just for the demonstration purpose here. Let's add another event. Let's call this one public holidays. So public holidays. Let's change the colour here. Let's make it red. Public holidays. So we've got that's the public holiday. I'm not sure what the public holidays are, but you go through and you select the public holiday. And if you make a mistake, by the way, let's say you make that a public holiday and it's not a public holiday, just click normal days again here, and you can turn it green. Again, let's add one more event, and we'll call this one sports day. You might have a special day where you need to organise the bell at a different time. I'll just pick another colour again. Let's maybe it is on the 3rd of February. So, and let's make that a sports day. So you can go through and fill the whole year, as you can see. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to, within these days, you need to add some event times. So let's highlight the green one. Let's say add some morning music. Maybe you make some morning music play 5 minutes before the bell goes, which wouldn't be uncommon. So let's say that's turn it on at 8:55. You see here, we want to output this to the pre-bell, which the folder could have music in it, and we want it to play for say 4 minutes and 59 seconds. Now I'm doing that on purpose, because if you made it 5 minutes, then you'd have to ring the bell at 9:01. Click that, and now let's add the bell. So we add another time to the event. Let's call this morning bell. Morning bell. So we start that at 9 o'clock. We're going to output that to the bell, and let's say we need it to go for say 10 seconds. Click OK. So what this means now is anything that's coloured green, this is what will happen every single day that you have highlighted through the whole year that you would normally do. The other thing, of course, is you might have daylight savings. If you're in a state that has daylight savings, you can simply just add in the date that it starts and finishes. So once again, I'm not sure when that would be, but let's say it's there. That there would automatically adjust the clock, so you don't have to worry about when daylight savings happens. You just do it at the start of the year, and you can cater for the whole year. Now I just need to save that, so I just save that. I'll make a new folder, and I'll call it XYZ School, just for the point of this exercise. XYZ School. Okay, so that's now saved. This is all saved on the SD card, which now just goes into the front of your yearly school timer, and away it goes. Now, let's say at the end of the year you want to reset the next year. So what we can do here is we can bring forward. So we just go to File and Bring Forward. Let's say we want to bring it forward 12 months. Now, what we need to do is keep everything as it is. So we're going to keep the day of the week for the normal days, public holidays, and the sports event day. As you can see, currently that's on Monday the 3rd of the sports event day. and there's a public holiday on the 9th, on Monday the 9th. But of course next year that Monday won't be the 9th. So we just keep everything as it is for the next year. When I click OK, you'll see now that the public holiday is on the 8th and the sports day is on the 1st. So it caters to keep everything as it was the previous year. Now, if you need to change anything, of course, you can go in and edit. So if you need to edit normal school days or you want to change the times, you can go in and you can edit the times. Let's just say that sports day is not there. You can obviously just make that a green day. And maybe the sports day is now the 8th. You can change it quite easily for the following year. So that's a very quick rundown of how the yearly school timer software works.